I am going to Hongdae area right now to meet somebody. See you later. Today, one of my fans thinks one of my staff is selling him my first album, Serenade. And so he's gonna pick it up at a random office, which is here. And I'm going to show up. I don't know how he's gonna react. By the way, he's here for the LOONA concert. So, yeah, that's a surprise. Let's see how it goes. What if it doesn't show up? I think he's coming.
Expecting that. You said I'm going. I figured. Okay.
I got you coffee.
Thank you.
Why are you short sleeve?
좋아. I like it.
좋아?
Yeah,
안
actually
좋아?
I'm a little hot from walking around so much. Like
잠깐! 내 굿즈야, It's my merchandise. What is this? Oh, what's this? 이달의 소녀. 굿즈! 이달의 소녀. What's this?
I love you 3000.
Aww.
There's also something else in there, a letter, but for later.
Did you seriously think someone else is gonna
Yeah,
be
that's
here?
why I wrote the letter.
Thank you for the chocolate. I got something for you. Where's my $10?
Okay, here, that's all I have.
No. That's supposed to be $10. Give me everything you have. You're supposed to pay for that.
미안해.
Right?
I thought it would be connected.
There you go. Thank you for the half of the money that...
Thank you.
Thank you. So how was the LOONA concert, and why didn't you come for my concert and came for LOONA concert instead?
LOONA is the best group ever. I'm sorry, 미안해. Wait, hang on. But if you ever do another concert, I promise. Oh no. Anyways, it's so good to see you. Yeah, it's really good to meet you. I really wasn't expecting this. Wow, okay.
What did you get from Korea this time?
From Korea? Like, buy? I got, can I show you?
Yeah.
Okay, here are the albums that I bought. Because of Jeremy, he got me into Oh My Girl more. It's all your fault though. This one is your fault because as you see from all the album purchases, Banana Allergy, the song that we won't name again, when it came out, I thought, oh, that's kind of a weird song. Oh, but it's got a Game Boy box. That's pretty cool. So I bought like the original one, the blue version. It isn't until I got onto your Twitch and there were so many mentions of BAM, and then you sang it in the taxi without realizing it, and then I was like, man, what's BAM? Finally, Jeremy or somebody on Discord was like, oh, Banana Allergy, sorry, the thing we won't name, and I was like, oh, and they're like, oh, it's a song by Oh My Girl. I'm like, oh, okay, and then I watched the music video, and it was like, I think it was too ahead of its time, because I love it now. You know, like, I mean, obviously lots of people showed it love when it released, but I love that song. I even watched the Porno version in English.
Is it okay if I ask you to dance that a little bit?
Dance?
Yeah. 나는 바나나 알러지. 바나나 알러지. 원수.
Oh yeah! So when's the USA tour? USA tour. Come on, you know we would all come.
I'll think about it once I get vaccinated.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you feeling, by the way?
Better.
Oh.
Picture time. Okay, I got your sandwich too.
Oh my gosh! What are you doing? You're spoiling me.
Okay, by the way, you still owe me $5.
Here, I'll take care of it right now.
No, this doesn't count. No, this doesn't count. 야, 빨리 짐 싸서 가.
She kicked me.
빨리 가.
Violence.
From Mars merchandise. Don't give me money, you idiot. 안녕, 잘 가.
Yep.
조심해서 가.
Bye.
안녕. Okay, so I got home safely. Andrew got me 화이트데이인가 Valentine's Day? Is it Valentine's Day soon? Anyways, he got me chocolate. And he actually got me $10. Why didn't you tell me? I pushed you, I kicked you, Anyways, I got my $10 and he wrote me a letter. Hi Sarah, I'm writing this letter on a page from your merch notebook. Anyways, I hope you stay healthy. I will always cheer on your success and happiness. Not only do you deserve to be loved, you are loved. My ultimate wish for you in life is that you never forget that. It was such a nice thing to actually connect to my fans, even though he's not 100% my fan. Just kidding. I have a feeling I might want to do this again. It was so much fun. And anyways, thank you for watching this, and thank you, Andrew. I love you 3000 too, and bye.